everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas, one of the most iconic spots on the Strip. I'll be showing you around the hotel and the casino, and I'll be doing a full review of the room, including, as always, a blacklight test to see how clean it really is. So if you're thinking about staying here or just curious about what this place has to offer, stick around and let's get started. One of the best things about the Paris Hotel is its location. Situated at the center of the Strip, right across from the iconic Bellagio Hotel, you truly cannot ask for a better spot. The reception area has a very charming French vibe featuring beautiful chandeliers, French-style decor, and artwork. However, the check-in line can sometimes be long, so to save time, use one of the mobile check-in stations. If one doesn't work, don't worry, try another one. It took me 3 attempts before I found one that actually worked. The casino at Paris Las Vegas has a really unique vibe. It's designed to make you feel like you're strolling through the streets of Paris. The ceiling looks like the sky for the immersive feel. This place has plenty of slot machines from classic to newer themed games. There's also lots of table games like blackjack, roulette, craps, and of course poker as well if that's your game. And they also have a very nice and large sports book where you can also find the newly renovated bar and lounge. Gustav's Bar is another bar that is located under the leg of the Eiffel Tower. And this right here is another bar, and it's called Le Central Bar, that is located at the center of the casino. This looks very nice. As for food options, you have Alexa's, which is an American restaurant. You can sit outside and enjoy the amazing view of the Bellagio fountains. Another restaurant with great views is Mon Ami Gabi. This one is my personal favorite, and this is a French restaurant. This place has delicious food. Nobu is another favorite of mine, and this is a modern Japanese restaurant. Vanderpump à Paris is obviously a French restaurant, and it is stunning. I really want to try this one out. Gordon Ramsay Steak is also here. I love the design of the entrance. It's really pretty. I can't wait to try this one out myself as well. There's also Bobby's Burgers. The Bedford is Martha Stewart's restaurant. This is American cuisine. Also looks very beautiful. Monte Cristo is a cigar bar. Sherry Rooftop has a stunning view of the Strip and offers French-style brunch and dinner. If you want a very fancy experience, you can go to the Eiffel Tower restaurant. Don't forget to make reservations ahead of time. This restaurant has amazing views of the Strip and the Bellagio fountains. Down here, that's the Arc Bar, and I've been told you can get here great frozen cocktails. Beer Park is another rooftop bar. They call it the Strip's best rooftop bar, so it must be good, right? There's also Cafe Americano, and it's been recently renovated. It looks really nice, and it's like sitting in a coffee shop on the streets of Paris, and it's open 24 hours a day. Cafe Belle Madeleine is a great place to grab some coffee or a quick bite to eat. The newest place here that recently opened is Dominique & Zell's Marché. Here you can get all the French pastries and desserts that you can imagine, and they are really good. They also have the blossoming hot chocolate for $11, also sandwiches, salads, and rotisserie chicken, and more stuff like that. I love hot chocolate, and that's why I had to try the blossoming hot chocolate. It's a very cute gimmick, but I really like the hot chocolate. It's really rich and not overly sweet. I'll definitely get this again. I wish it wasn't $11 though. If that wasn't enough for you, there's also Guy Savoy's Brioche, where you can get coffee and more pastries. This hotel has an observation deck with panoramic views of the Strip. It's located over there at the top of the Eiffel Tower. You can purchase the tickets online, and it's $25 for adults and $19 for children. La Presse is one of many places where you can get your essentials. There are also several souvenir shops here like Les Elements and Le Journal. Here you can get all of your Paris souvenirs and even cookbooks. The room that I booked was located in the Bordeaux Tower. I booked the most affordable room that I could get. It was $34, and after resort fees and taxes, it ended up being $95.21. This is the view from the window by the elevators. This is quite nice. I was on the 31st floor. This is a nice waiting area with benches and chairs. I like how the hallway is nice and lit. I really like the design of this hotel. And this is the Bordeaux 2 Queen room. The room was pretty nice, but a little bit dark. This tray is the mini bar. There is no cold mini bar in this room. There's even a romantic kit and a charger kit in case you forget your cables. This tray was really dusty. I'm guessing people don't really touch these items. They had this little charging station with USB and USB-C. In the center of the room, there's this big black entertainment center that makes the room look even darker. On this side, you can find your hangers, iron, an ironing board, and a luggage rack. They call the decor in this room French countryside. I feel like it's a little dated. These drawers got stuck. This seems very worn out. I was really struggling with these drawers. They just didn't want to close. On this side, there's an extra pillow, a safe, and a fridge, which is nice. You can stream and cast on this TV, so you can watch some YouTube if you want to. This was broken, which made this room look even darker since I couldn't turn this light on. There's a safety lock and a reminder to engage the deadbolt. There was a lot of wear and tear and stains everywhere, but the carpet was clean. The bathroom is pretty standard with only one sink. There's an Eiffel Tower art in the bathroom. In case you forget where you are, this will remind you. There's a tub and a shower, so you can take a bath if you really want to. The shower is not large, the water pressure was good. They give you mini toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and shower gel, and soap, tissue paper, towels, extra toilet paper. On the other side, there's more towels and a blow dryer. And there's another full body mirror on the door. Under black light, unfortunately, I found many stains on the sheets, the pillow covers, and the pillows, and on the mattress protector as well. The mattress looked clean but had some strange lines on it, but it looks like it's the fabric itself and not stains. The room had a lot of stains and wear and tear everywhere. The remote and the phone were clean, but this chair was very dirty. The bathroom as well was not clean. There were stains everywhere. So this is a little disappointing. The tub was clean, but the wall was not. The shower was clean, but the toilet, not so much. The wall behind it was very dirty. I don't think they ever cleaned it. This was the view from my room. I didn't get a strip view, but this was okay too. The pool was closed for the season and the gym was also closed for some reason. There's a free cabaret show here on Fridays and Saturdays. When you see the statue of the cleaning guy, if you keep walking past it, past this essential store, and ignore this cake vending machine because it's really bad, and keep walking straight, you'll get to the Horseshoe Las Vegas. Paris is connected directly to Horseshoe, so it's easy to explore even more without even stepping outside. The Grand Bazar shops is also nearby for even more food options. All Red is also here, and Istanbul Mediterranean. This place always has a very long line because it's really good. So this is it for this review. I personally think Paris Hotel is a beautiful property. I love the location. It's right in the center of the strip. There's many great restaurants in and around the hotel. I think the room is a little dated and worn out. I also think it can be much cleaner. Next time I would like to stay at the Versailles Tower and see how it compares to this one. The Versailles rooms are the newly renovated rooms, so that's going to be interesting to see. So what do you guys think about this hotel? Have you stayed here? Would you like to stay here? Let me know in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this and Vegas content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!